Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel. In this video, I want to show you how to launch browser on your Android TV box. This is very easy. Like and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like this. Before we continue, I want to show you this TV box I'm currently using called S5 Max SlingTV Box, and it's very good with 4K images and 4K videos. Also, it comes with various applications, some basic applications, and it has an app store. Now, not all applications are in the app store, so you can also add an other app store if you're interested in more applications. Here are the various applications in these app stores, and there are lots of them, and they're very nice applications. You can just go ahead and try out. So let's try out one of the applications like my VOD. It gives you videos on demand. Also, there's another application like my TV. It gives you channels that you can watch on your SlingTV box. So these are some of the applications in this TV box. This TV box has a 116 gigabyte space, and also it is very affordable. If you want to know more, check the description of this video. There is a link that is going to lead you to where you see all the features of this TV box. Now let's continue. So if you want to launch a browser on your Android TV, this is exactly what you have to do. Now on my Android TV box, I'm using SlingTV Box. What you have to do, it gives you the option that says browser. Now your Android TV box might have the same option like this, or if not, you should try using SlingTV. And all you have to do is just go out to browser, and I'm going to ask you all of this. Now I'm not interested, I'll just click on accept. So it is going to automatically use the Chrome browser, which I love. It's my favorite browser. If you want to use any other browser, you have to go and install it first. But since you want to use Chrome, we'll just go ahead and accept and then click on add accounts. And click on add accounts, it's going to lead you to where you add an account to your Android TV. So for you to use any Google service on your Android TV box, you need to add an account. And in this case, we're just going to add a simple account and then go ahead. So you go over here, put in your Google address, put in your Google address. After putting your Google address, you put in your passwords, and once that's okay, it's just going to launch and go over to Google browser without any issues. Like and subscribe to the YouTube channel if you find the video helpful.